What's going on, guys? Reggie P here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid to play games as a teenager and as an adult. If that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid to play games as a teenager and also as an adult. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away some free money, which I'm going to give some free money today. So stay tuned. Now, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. Also, give me a like. It really helps out my channel and helps out this video. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions on what I'm talking about today in this video. Now, on to the good part. I have two people that I'm going to award this money. I've made 3,000 subscribers. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you for sharing the video and helping me get to 3,000 subscribers. I feel so good that I finally made it. All right, so as I said in all my videos, once I make it to 3,000 subscribers, I'm going to reward somebody's free money. So I'm going to give two people $10 each. I know it's not much, but I'm rewarding two people. So I'm going to go ahead and reward these people $10 each. And the next time I do this type of contest or money giveaway, the money is going to be larger. So you got to stick with me, guys. Keep watching, keep sharing, and let's get to 4,000 because the money giveaway is going to even be much higher. So the first person that I'm going to reward the $10 to, I hope I pronounce your name right, is Arbyang Michael. And I'm going to put the name and the comment on the screen right here. See, as you can see, this person put hashtag get your grind on, and they have watched multiple videos and left comments in multiple videos. That's what I like to see. This is a dedicated grind family member. And so thank you again for watching all my videos, commenting, and I'm thinking that you shared my video also. All right, the second person, the second winner is Brandy Outlaw. And I'll put the comment right here on the screen. As you can see, this person, they put a hashtag get your grind on, and they put a creative comment. And that's what, like I said before, that's what I like to see. I want to see a creative comment, and I want to see get your grind on. This person was watching multiple videos. So they just didn't see one video, put that in there, and I never seen them again. So thank you, congratulations, and keep watching. All right. I know this intro has been long. Let's go ahead and get into the actual video and show you this method. So please watch this video all the way to the very end, because I got a bonus I want to share with you guys. And what I'm going to do is tell you how you can win some more free money. Because once I hit 4,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away some free money. But I might change up the guidelines in the contest. Things you have to do to win that free money. So please watch this video all the way through. You need to watch this content here, because once you see how much money you can make playing games, it's going to blow your mind. So let's go ahead and get into this right now. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay guys, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website. The name of this website is Winner Games. So you're going to use this website to get paid to play games. Now it says here, big time, win cash, playing free games. We are sharing back our revenue. And they have it available on the Apple Store and the Google Play Store. So it says here, choose one of many different games in big time and collect coins of tickets. Earn. The more tickets you earn, the higher your chance of winning the cash prizes. Win. So when the time runs out, they tally up the tickets and the winner is drawn. So these are all the games they have. They have this game, Bubbly Abyss. And this game is Gusty Groove. And this game is Beaming Boxes. So they got a lot of other games here. And these are the winners. So whoever wins, the name's going to be displayed on the website. And look how much they're winning. $3,090, $3,060, $3,015. They winning some money on this website. Now you can go down here if you want to know a little bit more about this website. So let's look into frequently asked questions. Let's click right here where it said, how will I receive my prize? Say prizes will be awarded in the form of a bank transfer to be received by major financial institutions. So you just got to have a bank and they're going to transfer the money to your bank. And right here it said, how old do you have to be to participate in the contest? You have to be at least 14 years old. So if you're a teenager, this is the website for you if you like to play games. And how much does it cost to participate? And it's free to participate. All you need is a smart device and an internet connection. And here's one important question you probably want to know the answer to is, how much money can I get paid for playing video games? There's no limit to how much money you can earn for playing video games with big time. And as you saw, you can win all types of money, all types of amount, from $2,000 all the way up to $3,000. Now, I just want to show you one other thing to let you know that this is a good website. I want to show you their app. So let's just go to their app right quick. This is on the Apple Store right here. You're going to look for big time games. Let's just scroll down here to the rating. Out of 5 stars, it's 4.5. You know that's good. You know this is a real good app. So let's just read one review here. So it says right here, good app all around. It really is a fun game that will get addicting real quick. Always fun to try to beat your last top score, but very challenging. Love the idea of sharing back from ad revenue. So this person is very happy. They got a lot of other reviews on here if you want to come to this app and read about it. So that's all I'm going to say about this app and this website. So if you want to go ahead and get started getting paid playing games, go to winnergames.com, and winner is spelled W-I-N-R. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Now, before you click away, let me tell you about the bonus. Now, the bonus is I'm still going to run the contest, the free money giveaway contest, but I'm gonna add a little twist to it. So you can win some free money again. Matter of fact, 3 people, yes, 3 people are gonna get a chance to win some free money. Now, this is what you gotta do. You need to watch the video, you need to be subscribed, you need to drop a comment. You need to drop a creative comment in multiple videos. And you need to put hashtag the grind is real in the comments below in all my videos. And the other thing you need to do, I'm trying to get my followers up on Instagram. So if you have an Instagram, I want you to tag me on Instagram with a screenshot of my video. And once you tag me with a screenshot of my video, follow me and DM me saying the grind is real. That's all I want you to do. And what I'm going to do once I reach 4,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick a comment and that person is going to win the free money. But they also have to be a follower on Instagram. And they have to tag me on Instagram with my video. So if you don't have an Instagram, get on Instagram right now. Now the last twist, I want to get to 4,000 subscribers in 2 weeks. So if you can help me get there in 2 weeks from today, and today is Sunday. So 2 weeks from the day, so not next Sunday, but the Sunday after next, I'll put it on the screen, the date that I want to get the 4,000 subscribers. So if I get it by then, 3 people is going to win some free money. And it could be more than $10. So if I can get there in 2 weeks, I'm going to give away free money to 3 people, and it's going to be more than $10 for each person. Now, if we don't get there in 2 weeks, I'm still going to give away the free money, but it'll just be 2 people and it'll be $10. So if you want to get the chance to win more than just $10 and have more than 2 people win, help me to get to 4,000 subscribers in 2 weeks. All right, guys, that's it. I've talked long enough. Hope you understand the instructions. If not, I'll leave it in the comments below. Oh yeah, one other thing. The winners, please check the comments below. And it's gonna tell you all the instructions you need to receive your money. All right, guys, that's it. Please give me a like. Help me get like 50 likes. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions on what I talked about today. Share this all around the internet. And don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos that I drop. Because I make videos like this every other day. All right, that's it. I'm out of here. One other thing, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of my other videos until my next one come out. Peace.
Get your grind on, yeah. Get your grind on, yeah. Get your grind on.